Charisma is a complex quality that can be difficult to define, but it's often associated with an individual's ability to draw others in, influence people, and be likable. Here are some tips from psychology that can help you develop charisma. 1. Develop your emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence involves recognizing, understanding, and managing your own emotions as well as those of others. High EI allows you to respond empathetically and appropriately in various social situations, strengthening your relationships and interactions. To develop EI, practice self-awareness by identifying your emotions and understanding their triggers. Learn to manage your emotional reactions and express your feelings constructively. Practice observing others' emotions through their words, tone, and body language to better respond to their needs and concerns. 2. Leverage the power of storytelling. Storytelling captivates people's emotions and imagination, making your message more memorable and impactful. Use storytelling to illustrate your experiences, values, and perspectives in a way that resonates with others. Share personal anecdotes and relatable narratives that inspire a shared experience or evoke emotions. Focus on stories that emphasize common ground or highlight lessons learned to connect more deeply with your audience. 3. Adaptability. Adaptability means being flexible in your behavior, communication, and approach to different social situations and people. It involves adjusting your style and tone to suit the context and audience, which helps establish rapport. Pay attention to others' cues and preferences, and be open to changing your approach to better connect with the person or group you're interacting with. 4. Use appropriate humor. Humor can break down barriers and create a sense of ease, making you more approachable. However, it must be used with sensitivity to the context and audience. Develop your ability to read the room and adjust your humor accordingly. Avoid jokes that may offend or alienate others. Instead, use lighthearted and inclusive humor that fosters connection. 5. Display genuine warmth and kindness. Warmth and kindness create a sense of approachability and trustworthiness. Being genuinely kind helps you connect with others on a deeper level, offer sincere compliments and words of encouragement, and express gratitude for others' efforts and achievements. Practice random acts of kindness to brighten others' days and create a positive impression. 6. Practice active listening. Active listening involves fully focusing on the speaker's message without interruption or judgment. This attentiveness shows respect and helps you understand others' perspectives. Maintain eye contact, nod, and use verbal cues to indicate your engagement. Reflect back on what the speaker has said and ask clarifying questions to deepen your understanding. 7. Master the art of persuasion. Persuasion involves presenting your ideas convincingly and aligning them with the values and beliefs of your audience. Understand their goals and perspectives, and craft your message to resonate with them. Use clear and logical arguments supported by evidence and anecdotes. Building rapport with your audience and speaking confidently enhances your persuasive abilities. 8. Create a sense of mystery. Being approachable while keeping certain aspects of yourself reserved can pique others' curiosity and interest. Share selectively about yourself and your experiences, allowing others to wonder and engage with you on a deeper level. A little mystery can make you more intriguing and memorable. 9. Be passionate. Passion is contagious and can inspire others to share your enthusiasm and support your endeavors. Identify your passions and share them authentically with energy and conviction. Your genuine excitement can engage others and draw them into your interests. 10. Find common ground. Establishing common ground fosters a sense of connection and camaraderie with others. Look for shared interests, values, or experiences in your interactions to build rapport and strengthen relationships. Discuss topics that you and others can relate to, fostering a sense of unity. 11. Practice empathy-based communication. Empathetic communication involves understanding and validating others' emotions and perspectives. Use language that acknowledges others' feelings and experiences, such as "I understand how you feel" or "That must have been challenging." Show genuine concern and offer support to strengthen your connection with others. 12. Maintain integrity. Integrity means aligning your actions with your values and being honest and consistent in your dealings with others. Staying true to your principles and following through on your commitments builds trust and respect. A reputation for integrity enhances your credibility and fosters long-lasting relationships. Charisma isn't something you're born with. It can be cultivated through practice and self-awareness. By incorporating these tips into your interactions, you can enhance your charisma and create more meaningful connections with others.